boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. I have an kind of unreleased song from Zach Bryan. It's called Lodi When, and he's sitting there on his porch or balcony. I'm not sure where it is really. It's a great song. I just came over it through my YouTube feed, and yeah, here we are. Lodi When. I think that is kind of a meaning in going back to the younger version of you or so. I'm not sure, but yeah, could be. Not sure, but still a great song. If you want to learn it, then let's stay here on this channel. But before, I want to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Growing Guitar in the same way as this, but 6 strings ago added. And why? Because great songs there 6 strings ago is referring to old classic songs, but all the way to recent time. You're gonna learn them as well. But the difference there is that you're gonna play a full song there from A to Z. I'm playing there. Play through with chords shown on the screen. Just follow along. You don't have to listen to me yada yada like I'm talking right now. So just focus on playing and that's it. So if you want to thank me for anything here on this channel, go and check out my new YouTube channel, Growing Guitar 6 strings ago, and subscribe there. Thanks so much. Now let's focus on this one. No need for any capo here, and we have a couple chords to go over. So let's start with the C first. That goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have E minor next. That will be open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. D. Open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We also got the D sus4, and the difference from the D and D sus4 is just happening on that high E string. Instead of playing the 2nd fret on the standard D, you go to the 3rd fret and play D sus4. Everything else stays the same, and that's the chord. And finally, we have the G6. We're gonna play the same chords as Zach is playing. You can see him playing there, and he goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Okay. So, one round, and you're gonna play pretty much in the same way through the entire song. It goes like this. So, you're gonna start with the strumming pattern and learn it with the C chord. So, we have 2 parts here in the strumming. The first part is just 2 downs. The second part is up, up, down, 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 up. So, up, up, down, 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 up. And together it's down, down, up, down, 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 up. A couple of rounds goes like this. So on. So the chord progression will be to play C, 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2, then E minor, 1 full round. Then comes the split here in D. You're gonna play part 1, the down, down, and then you're gonna add that 3rd fret E string to get the D sus4 and play part 2, up, up, down, 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 up. And then you're gonna finish off with that G6 and play 1 full round. So that goes like this, slowly. Sometimes Zach is playing just the D, and he skips that D sus4, and in that case you're gonna play 1 full round of D, and that's it. So that will be C1, E minor 1, D1, and G6 1, like this. Alright, then we have a cool melody. It starts like that in the song. I also have that built into the song later on. It goes like this. So what you're going to play here is on the B string to start with. You're going to slide from the 3rd fret B up to the 5th, okay? You pick that 3rd and slide up to 5th. You don't pick that 5th, you just slide up to it. Then you're going to add that 3rd fret high E. And then you're going to pick the 5th B, and then open G. That's it. So slowly. And then you're gonna play the C and move on with that strumming. Sometimes he plays that as well after the G. And if you choose to go there in the end of the song, you're gonna play just part 1 of the G, and that melody will replace the part 2 strumming from G. So it takes away the strumming, part 2, and you play that melody. So that means slowly, you come from the D, then comes the G, and then comes the melody. So in a context, it goes like this. Some extra material there with the melody, but that's it. Zach Bryan's Lodi When, a great song. I hope he releases that. It should do that because, yeah, we love guitar songs. Very clean, stripped off voice and guitar. That's nice. So, hope you enjoyed this one, guys. And if you did, you can feel free to like this one as well. But 6 Strings Ago is waiting for you guys. So, go and subscribe to that channel. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.